Hi, good morning. Myself Apurva Jyoti. Today we are going to learn the part 2 of the lesson, that is the Cholas. Let us let us take a look at southern India now. So southern India is south part of India. We are looking at the map there. We can see, if you can see the map there which I have posted, Chola rule is one of the well documented in the history of South. So Chola rule which is there, which is the best like well documented history. It has a good history in the South, it seems. South in the sense like we people, all these places which they are mentioned, you see there, you can see in the map there. Let us see how they became successful rulers. So now we are going to learn how they ruled the place, all this southern India, how they became successful, what all the things they have applied in ruling to become successful, and all we'll be learning in this lesson. From Uriyur to Tanjavur, how did the Cholas rise to power? Means from this place to this place, how did they rise? How did they have grown their ruling? A minor chiefly family known as the Muttayar held power in the Kaveri Delta. So one of the chiefly family means one of the important the main family, that is Muttayar family, who were there. They were in the ruling, they were in the power in the Kaveri Delta. They were subordinates to the Pallava kings of Kanchipuram. They were subordinates. So Pallava kings who are there of Kanchipuram, they were the subordinates who Muttayar family who is there, they were the subordinates to these Pallava kings who belong to Kanchipuram. Vijayalaya, who belonged to the ancient chiefly family of Cholas from Urayaur, captured the delta from Muttayar in the middle of the 9th century. So during this in the middle of 9th century, this who is there, like Vijayala, who belonged to ancient chiefly family, means very old chiefly family from Urayahur, he captured this Kaveri Delta from Muttayar. In which century? In 9th century, in middle of 9th century, this Vijayala, who belonged to the ancient chief family of Chola, he captured Delta of Muttayur family. He built the town of Tanjavur and the temple for the goddess Nishum Basundi there. So he built a temple for this Tanjavur. For the goddess, he built one of the temple there. The successor of Vijayala conquered neighboring regions and the kingdom grew in size and power. So this successor who is there, Vijayala, next to the one who have captured this Kaveri Delta, Vijayala who is there, no, he is the neighbor of the kingdom, grew in size, means he started expanding and gaining more power. The Pandyan and the Pallava territories to the south and the north. So from Pandyan to Pallava territories, he started from north to south, he started growing his power in the size. Rajaraja 1 considered the most, means in this Rajaraja 1 who is there, he is considered the most important one in this Chola kingdom. So the next part of the lesson we are going to learn in the next class. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.